holographic breathing. The breath is through the nose all of the time. No breath comes in through here at all. So the lips are relaxed and closed. It's the upper surface of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. The tip of the tongue will be close to or touching the front teeth, and as much of the tongue on the roof of the mouth as feels comfortable. And then with all that in place, on the in-breath, the jaw gently opens. It's a small motion, 4, 5 millimeters, 1/4 of an inch, half a finger width, opens on the in-breath, closes on the out-breath. And it starts as an exercise, but after a while that just connects in to the muscles of the breath, and it just does it automatically. So I will demonstrate that, just a few breaths, so you can see, you'll basically just see that the lips are closed and I become relaxed. So it's a deep, profound, deep, meditative space instantly. It just comes on instantly.